Good morning, everybody. This is Kurt coming to you from High Performance Tree Service. We're going to cut down a couple of big oaks. We're going to trim this big boy here. And there was some wind damage from, must have been from last year or whatever. We're going to take all this stuff out here. It's kind of a beastly feller, a couple of them. Taking these all out. All this scrub. Look how big the diameter of that tree is right there. That's big. When you get this cleaned up, take this fence out, take all these shrubs out, and that thing's a lot bigger than it looks. Very big tree. Just want to do a video here. A little fast moving. I apologize. I'm not good at these video things or YouTube. I'm trying, but I'm learning as I go. We'll do more video and more pictures before long. Coming back and checking on the guys, seeing how the progress is. They starting on the big tree, knocked down, or I should say they got the log that fell off from the wind, getting that going. Looks like they're rolling it out pretty good here. Got that whole top out of there, looking good. Alrighty, we got that limb off of there. Dropping that limb off. Drop her on down. Notching that puppy down. It's about 90-foot tree. Big old oak. I'm gonna pull it out and bringing that limb down. It's a quick shot for you. Hello folks, Kurt coming to you with High Performance Services. We just took down this big tree here yesterday and just finishing cutting the log up. And we're gonna haul these big pieces out of here. You just can't beat these little R530 loaders, folks. Those things get it done. Look at the size of that log. Handles it no problem. Moving stuff around. Now you see how hollow that tree is? That tree was hollow, and it was hollow all the way up, about 70 feet, 80 feet, all the way up. Anyways, we've got trying to clean up some of this mess here, and then we're going to start that big guy right there. That's a good 85, 90, maybe 95 feet. We're gonna get all that up in there. I'm watching, bud. We're gonna flip this over. There we go. There. That's a big hunk of wood right there. All right, just a little brief video, folks, from High Performance Tree Service. Have a good day. All righty, folks. Got the guys over here roping the big oak down. It's a big old oak tree here. It's about a 85-foot tree here. You can tell it's about a good 15 feet above the bucket, but the bucket could still go out more yet. It looks like they're gonna drop a limb here. Take a peek at it and see here. Get her going. Gonna put a notch out there. There it goes. And there we go. That's how you rope a tree. High Performance Tree Service, 231-299-9296. A lot of dust. Alrighty folks, here we are, finishing touch here. High Performance Tree Service coming to you. We trimmed this guy up nice off the roof and everything, and it's looking good. It's kind of close there, but we ripped out those two massive oak trees out of here. Numerous trees, all kinds of stumps. We're grinding up all the stumps here next. There was a fence there. We'll probably have a video from start to finish, put it together, everybody can see. And this one was starting to rot out a little bit, but look at all the metal that was in there. A lot of metal. That's what all that discoloration is. There's metal in that. This tree here was ready to go. This was a 90 to 100 foot tree, 90 to 100 foot, so it was definitely ready. There were trees all the way from right over there, all up and through here. We cleaned all those out. There's a big fence all through here. Well, it's a fence like this right here. It was all the way across here like this. Bunch of shrubs, bushes, and scrub trees. We cleaned those all out. Bunch of trees in that corner over there. Opened it right up. There's some stumps that got to be done up. And looking good. You guys did a great job. This is what it looked. Keep in mind there were two 95 to 100 foot trees right there. One there and one there. Then all this scrub and a fence all through here, cleaned up. We relocated a bunch of cement that was laying around. We put that all up there for them, and everybody's very happy. Another job done by High Performance Tree Service, Ludington, Michigan, 231-299-9296.